Okay, here is the Monetary Policy Committee's transmission mechanism for its interest rate decisions. And what the diagram says is, how do our changes in base rate, the rate that we charge to banks in the market, actually have an impact on inflation in 12 months to 2 years' time? Well, the Bank of England consider that there is an effect of 4 different areas of the economy from its base rate change. First of all, interest rates in the market. They're going to react fairly instantly, mortgage rates, credit card rates, overdraft rates, to the change in base rate. Asset prices such as stocks and shares and houses will also change over time. If mortgages become more expensive, assets such as houses might become cheaper because people can't afford to buy them, and there's a demand and supply thing happening in the market there. The third thing is expectations. What do speculators and traders expect is going to happen in the future? The Bank of England's changing the base rate will signal where future rates may go. And the final thing it has an effect on is the exchange rate. If their interest rates are high, more people want to buy pounds to invest in higher interest rates in the UK. That has an effect on imports, which become relatively more expensive, which clearly has an impact on inflation, because a lot of our expenditure is of imports. All of these elements have an effect on demand. Domestic demand will be affected by our ability to have credit, our asset prices, our wealth, and our expectations of what happens in the future. That's embedded fairly well in demand theory. Add in the effect of exchange rates and we'll get external demand. And of course that's going to be affected as well by expectations, asset prices, and interest rates in the market. Add these two together and we've got total demand, which will give rise to domestic inflationary pressure, added to the external inflationary pressure of imports, and we have our impact on inflation.